understand the things of this world and why we have to lose our loved ones to illness and disease. But you are in charge, you are in control, and if you've allowed this to happen, we believe that you have a purpose behind it all. We ask that you will help us to accept what has happened and to find strength and solace in you to be able to overcome this tragic loss and to be able to continue with life. We ask for your blessings upon Auntie, your blessings upon David and Kimi and Peter and their spouses and their children. We ask for your blessings upon Rebecca, all the family members, wherever they are. We commit them, O God, into your mighty hands. We pray for Bethany Hospital family, which has suffered such the loss of our beloved physician.